trying to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. One, do your research into the company. Two, buy low. Three, sell high. I got the kid in investing. I had my first kid at 18. Started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy, Brother DJ, just one of the many working parts of the Squadcast podcast and Junkyard Gang. Hope you're having a good day out there today. Whew, a lot to talk about. Trying to keep it short and sweet, but make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you subscribe to the Junkyard Gang, all that, no breaks. Hit the like button, notification gang, all that other good stuff. Make sure you leave a comment to anything that you want to talk about as far as on the Squadcast perspective and on Wolf on Wall Street when it comes to the stocks and cryptocurrencies, insurance, term life insurance, Roth IRAs, 401ks, whatever you want to talk about from a financial gain, we can definitely get into it. Shout out to all my Squadcast members that's not in the building with me right now. Also, shout out to all the Junkyard Gang members that's doing their thing. Last but not least, shout out Midwest Matthew, Salute King. But let's get into it. What we're going to do is get into the money. Well, it ain't nothing funny. Robinhood been doing this thing, and I've been hearing nothing but ching, ching, ching. No lie. No, I'm just messing around. But I hope y'all been having a good day out there in the market. It's been actually a pretty good week so far. A lot of stocks are doing their thing right now. I'm definitely going to get into them. With the first one being said, let's talk about Tesla. Tesla current stock price right now is $1,228.30. Ticker symbol TSLA. Whew, guys. When I got into Tesla, my average cost per share is $527.88. Obviously, that has doubled. I'm currently up right now 132%. So, I've talked about Tesla. Everybody thinks that you can't get money off Tesla because the stock price is so high. I mean, you can definitely get money off Tesla. It just depends on how much you put up in there. Even today, it's over just over 1.32%. Went up about $16.05. It's down about $1.52 in after hours trading. So, with that being said, Tesla, Elon Musk, they're definitely doing their thing. They're definitely here to stay. They made their name and their presence known as one of the juggernauts and the giants out here on the market. So if you haven't gotten your position by now, you definitely want to try to hurry up and get your position in immediately because this stock price is definitely going to just continue to rise and rise and rise. I definitely see nothing but good things for the future regarding Tesla and their stock price. They're definitely trending towards where Amazon is. I'm just throwing it out there, all right? Next stock, we're going to talk about Nike. I've been talking to you guys about Nike. Nike is definitely doing this thing. Current stock price right now, $175.44. Ticker symbol NKE. Whew, Nike is doing this thing. I'm currently up right now just over 39% in this particular position. They're up as a whole, just a little under 2%. Not really much action in after hours trading. But when I got into Nike, my average cost per share was $125.65. Obviously, that has gone up tremendously. So, depending on how many shares you have, I mean, you have a nice profit. And on top of that, Nike gives you a dividend for holding their stock. So it's like a bonus almost. The stock is doing well, so you're getting money from that, and they give you a dividend for holding stock. Shout out Nike for it to be the pandemic still, where a lot of people has lost their jobs. Money is not as accessible as it probably once was so many years ago. For Nike to be doing so well, is kind of surprising to me. I thought that it would have suffered along with other shoe and retail companies, but Nike has stood strong. Their endorsements, their affiliations with the NBA, NFL, things of that nature, the signature shoe lines, and all the other stuff. Like Nike's been doing well, and they're going to continue to do well. Nike's here to stay. All right, I don't see their stock price taking a huge dip if it do. Okay, uh, next one, Ford Motor Company. I keep trying to tell you guys. Look, if you're looking for a stock to get into that's under $20 right now, because it's right now is 1951. Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F. Current stock price right now is 1951. I've been talking about Ford Motor stock for the past 3 weeks, probably even longer than that, guys. I mean, right now I'm up over 25%. My average cost per share is $15.54. So, even though it's not like it's a $10 jump or anything like that, depending on how many shares you got, you definitely made some money. You definitely made some money. And considering the fact that I've been reading that Ford Motor, their big boy truck, the EV, they can't even keep it. They keep selling out. They can't make enough of them. That's how high demand they are. And that's just the trucks. All right. So when I told you guys that Ford was positioning themselves to enter the EV market, there it is. And as you can see, as a result of that, that's why the stock price keeps going up. So I talked to you guys about Ford when it was like 10, 13, and 15 and so many dollars or whatever the case may be before it even got up to this point. I've been having my eye on Ford. So shout out to Ford Motor Company. Definitely doing a thing. Who else did I got I want to talk about real quick on here? Oh yeah, CrowdStrike Financial, or my bad, CrowdStrike Holdings, ticker symbol CRWD. Current stock price right now is $279.25. Up over 3% today. Just a little bit under, it's not even under a 0.5% after hours trading. So that really doesn't really mean too much. But I got into CrowdStrike Holdings with the average price per share of $191.64. Obviously, it's on its way to trending towards that and over that. It has already trended over that. I mean, this almost trending towards the 300 range. Knock on wood. 279.25 is definitely trending towards the 300 range. I'm currently up over 45% in this particular play. If you guys don't know what CrowdStrike Holding is, it's a holding company which engages in the provision of cloud-delivered solution for next generation endpoint protection and offers cloud modules. It's definitely a great tech company. They're into a lot of things, a lot of things. So I mean, and that's pretty much basically what this portfolio kind of consists of, is a lot of tech stocks, because tech is what making the money. Tech is what making the money. Uh, if you guys don't know, there is a difference in this portfolio. Disney is no longer with us. Shout out Disney. I love y'all, but y'all got to do some things for me. Shout out to all of the Disney holders and things of that nature, but Disney right now is not looking too good to me right now. Their stock has been underperforming immensely for a long periods of times. So I had to make a decision to go ahead and sell Disney, and I ventured into Progenity, and I got back into Fuel Cell. Fuel Cell, I'm up over 9%. Progenity, I'm up over 17%. So I mean, sometimes you have to be, sometimes you got to put your foot down and really be the boss of your portfolio, guys. If you see a play or position that you're in and you're just seeing it just continually just underperform, especially for a big name company like Disney, as much as it hurt me to sell, I had to do it. Had to do it. I've seen too many other opportunities for me to get in to establish position and make money now and in the long term. So sometimes you have to make executive decisions like that. Shout out Disney. I love y'all. You know, Disney Plus. My son has it. Pays a little subscription. My kids grew up on Disney. I grew up on Disney and all that other stuff. But you know, went to Disney World, Disneyland, all that other crazy. But Disney right now, y'all got some work to do. I know the pandemic has not helped them out, but Disney, y'all gotta make me a believer. With that being said, guys, that is the current update. Those are the stocks I want to talk to you guys about, okay? Because those are the ones, those are the heavy hitters. Those are the ones that's really making an impact on the market. And I hope that you guys have established your position in all those, or one or two, or any, or any. I'm telling you, you don't have to have a shit ton of money to be able to generate money in the stock market. I keep saying it's like a glorified savings account, except the interest that you get and the money you're making in the stock market is way more than the interest that you'd be making getting, just leaving your money sitting in the bank, okay? Because you're not doing nothing but just helping them. So I mean, like I said, Ford is under $20. And I'm not a financial advisor. I know Ford is not paying me to talk about them or nothing like that. I wish they would, but it's not the case. But I'm just trying to give my people some game, okay? I'm trying to give y'all, for those who worry about their money, who feel like they don't have enough money, there's stocks out here that's under $20, like a Ford Motor Company who's been around since time immemorial, and they're gonna continue to grow. All right, they're gonna continue to grow. With that being said, I'm definitely gonna do another Wolf on Wall Street. We're gonna get back into the crypto game. We're also gonna talk about Roth IRAs, 401ks. So with that being said, peace to the family. I love y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe.